Finding the right vacuum can feel overwhelming, especially with so many options out there. Are you tired of struggling with heavy machines that just don't get the job done? In today's video, we'll compare 5 top-rated upright vacuums that make cleaning a breeze. From tackling stubborn pet hair to offering lightweight convenience, these picks are designed to fit your needs. Stay tuned for our #1 choice, which might surprise you with its unique features. And remember, links in the description below for current prices. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful reviews. Shark Navigator Liftaway ADV Upright Vacuum. The Shark Navigator Liftaway ADV Upright Vacuum is a versatile machine perfect for homeowners looking for an effective cleaning solution without the hassle of complex setups. This vacuum features a detachable canister that allows for easy cleaning of hard-to-reach areas, making it ideal for both carpets and bare floors. With its powerful suction and anti-allergen complete seal technology, it captures 99.9% of dust and allergens, which is especially great for allergy sufferers. While the liftaway feature is incredibly useful, some users may find the vacuum a bit heavier than expected, particularly when using it in its upright mode. Overall, this vacuum is an excellent choice for those seeking flexibility and thorough cleaning. Eureka Lightweight Vacuum Cleaners. The Eureka Lightweight Vacuum Cleaners stand out for their portability and ease of use, making them a fantastic option for busy households or those with limited storage space. Weighing in at just under 8 pounds, this vacuum is easy to maneuver and perfect for quick cleanups or everyday use. It features a combination of powerful suction and a washable filter, ensuring that dirt is effectively picked up without clogging. Designed with pet owners in mind, it efficiently tackles hair and debris. Although its smaller dustbin means more frequent emptying during larger cleaning tasks. Ultimately, this vacuum is suitable for those who value convenience and efficiency without compromising on performance. Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean Upright Vacuum. The Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean Upright Vacuum is engineered for pet owners who need a reliable machine to handle challenging messes. With its innovative ball technology, this vacuum offers excellent maneuverability, allowing users to navigate tight spaces effortlessly. Its powerful motor and self-adjusting cleaner head adapt to different floor types, providing deep and effective cleaning on carpets and hard floors alike. The included tools, like the tangle-free turbine tool, are perfect for removing pet hair from upholstery. On the downside, its premium price point may deter budget-conscious buyers, but the advanced features and performance make it worth considering for serious cleaning needs. Bissell Commercial BGU1 937T Pro Cup Bagless Upright Vacuum. The Bissell Commercial BGU1 937T Pro Cup Bagless Upright Vacuum is an ideal choice for those who prioritize durability and professional-grade cleaning. Built for high-traffic areas, this vacuum features a robust design that can withstand rigorous daily use. Its bagless operation simplifies maintenance, while the large-capacity dirt cup means fewer interruptions for emptying. Perfect for commercial settings or busy families, it provides powerful suction that easily picks up dirt and debris. However, its weight might make it less suitable for those who prefer lightweight options for home use. Overall, this vacuum is a solid investment for anyone needing a heavy-duty cleaning solution. Shark Navigator Swivel Pro Upright Vacuum. The Shark Navigator Swivel Pro Upright Vacuum claims the top spot for its exceptional versatility and user-friendly design. This vacuum features a swivel steering mechanism, allowing users to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces with ease. Its powerful suction is complemented by a lightweight design, making it easy to handle for extended cleaning sessions. Ideal for a variety of surfaces, including carpets, hardwood, and tiles, it also comes equipped with a HEPA filter to trap allergens effectively. While some users note that the vacuum can be slightly noisy during operation, its overall performance and convenience make it a favorite among families and pet owners alike. Thank you for joining us as we explored the top 5 best upright vacuums of 2026. Each of these picks offers unique advantages tailored for different cleaning needs, ensuring you can find the right match for your home. Don't forget to check the description for links to the products and current prices. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone looking for a new vacuum, and subscribe for more insightful reviews.